What's up guys, it's Eric from B-Side. Today we have another very special product I want to introduce you to guys today. It's the BeatSonic HVTX06. It's for the newer Toyota vehicles with a 12.3 inch screen. It's a video input interface where you'll be able to either mirror your phone's screen or you can even add other video sources just like from the Amazon Fire Stick or your Nintendo Switch, a game player, or your Google Chromecast. And what makes this product really shine is the image quality that it provides. It utilizes super high definition with full screen capability. And with these newer Toyota vehicles, since it comes with this really high definition screen, this interface really is able to utilize the capabilities of the factory screen. So we're super excited about this. Let's go inside the car, let's install this, and let's show you how it works. Alright guys, now that we're in the car, the first thing we're going to do is we are going to remove this panel up here. It's very easy. Just use a panel removal tool, something like this. Kind of go inside here between the opening and just pry this up. Super easy. And then it's a little difficult to see from here, but there's actually two 10mm bolts on the right side and also on the left side. So we're going to go ahead and remove it. You could use a wrench. We're going to use a little like a power tool here. Alright, okay, there's one. And grab the other one there on the other side. Okay, got two more. Alright, so now we got those four 10mm bolts out. We're going to go ahead and pull this assembly out. Okay, just use a thick towel to protect your interior pieces. Alright, there it is. So let's go ahead and just unplug this connector here, just so it gives a little bit more slack. And then we are going to remove this box behind the screen. Okay, there's one other connector here we're going to remove. And then there's two 10mm bolts that needs to be removed up here as well. Alright. And let's go ahead and remove these two screws here. You could either remove it with an 8mm socket or a Phillips screwdriver. Alright, while we pull this, we're going to go ahead and maneuver this box around this panel like so, which will expose the other connectors behind the radio. Alright, so once we have all this out, we're going to go ahead and disconnect this connector here. You see a row of three connectors on the bottom side of this box, and all the way to the right is this gray one over here. So just press down and release. I'm going to pull it out. If you need some room, you could also pull these out as well. Just make sure you plug it back in. Okay, so go ahead and remove it. And we already have the other GVIF cable that we already removed. And then we're going to go ahead and grab our smartphone mirroring kit. Okay, right here, this is how it looks. Go ahead and just match up the colors of the two LVDS cables. The white one and the blue one will connect accordingly. And we also have this main connector here. And on the other side of this is where you see one male and one female LVDS cable. The female side will connect to this male side that we unplugged from the front screen. And the male side will connect to the screen like so. Alright, and then we'll go ahead and connect these two. And for some reason, if you feel like you want to lock yourself from watching the video while driving, you want to make sure that you can only see it while the car is parked and the car is not moving, then this is the cable you are going to want to connect for a speed sensor. But most likely, I don't think any of you guys will be connecting this. So let's go ahead and leave it aside. You can go ahead and wrap it with some electric tape if you like. So I'll grab this connector, and then we are going to connect the female side to the male side of the car, and then we'll connect the male side to the back side of this radio. All right, like that. And this is small enough to be able to tuck behind here, But before we do so, let's go ahead and connect these two cables. These are extension cable. One of them's for your USB, and the other one is for your HDMI input. Okay, and this device is special where you could plug in basically anything via HDMI input. You could even plug in a Amazon Fire Stick if you like. You can also connect those wireless dongles that you could get on Amazon as well. But today we're going to show you how it will work with our Apple AV adapter. Okay, so today this is just for demonstration purpose. I'm just going to route these two cables up above here from the top. But in the real use case, realistically, you will probably want to route it to your glove box from the back side of your radio. You just fish it through. So this box is not too big. You should be able to find some room behind the radio. All right, let me just go ahead and set this in here for now. All right. So we got the two cables coming out from the top. Realistically, when you do the install, go ahead and just route it down here. You could also route it to your desired location as well. All right, so here it is. We're gonna go ahead and connect our Apple AV adapter to this using an HDMI cable. All right. We're also going to connect power to the Apple AV adapter so our phone charges and show you how it looks. All right, so connect everything. So you'll go ahead and turn on the vehicle. So right now audio is off, so you're gonna want to select auxiliary, and when you press that, then it'll go into the phone mirroring mode. If you want to go back, you can press the menu button and it'll take you back. Okay, once again we'll go audio, and then right now it's already we already have it selected to aux. I gotta press and hold the home button and it'll take you to the phone mirroring as well. All right, so let me do a few demonstration, show you a YouTube video. The image is very, very sharp. Since this is going through HDMI, you'll be able to benefit from the best image quality as you possibly can with this screen. All right guys, so now that we did all that, and once you have routed in the correct area, all you have to do is just reverse order everything you just did, and that will complete the installation. So now that I showed you the installation part, let me go ahead and continue on with the demonstration. All right guys, so I just want to demonstrate this new smartphone mirroring kit for the newer Toyota models. So here it is guys. How you access this menu is, so let me go back. You press home, it takes you back here. You could go in two ways. So just press and hold the home button, it'll take you into the phone mirroring, video input mode, and all the sounds and everything is coming through here. I don't know if you noticed, but the image quality is amazing. Very, very sharp. It looks great. And if you press and hold the home button, it takes you back here. So you can also go to your source and switch out of the auxiliary. So for example, go to like Bluetooth, and then if you go to auxiliary again, then the screen will automatically switch. All right, so, and of course this works while the vehicle is driving, so your passengers could enjoy some video, some entertainment, let the time pass by a little bit more quickly on long road trips. Basically, any video at your fingertips. Okay, and then let me show you the home screen. Home screen looks like this. Let's go ahead, let's see how the Google Maps look. It looks like just like an image that I'm looking from my phone. It's just so sharp. All right, and let's also try Netflix. And there's no lag, there's no latency. The voice matches the actual video.
You see, that's wonderful. I was backpacking.
And where is he, your father?
I spent a heavenly summer just island hopping around Greece.
Bed hopping around Greece.
All right. So this is on an iPhone. It also works with Android phones as well. So we have like a little Android casting device here. Let me go ahead and connect it. So basically easy as just disconnecting this from our Apple AV adapter and connecting this wireless casting device to this HDMI video input system. And once again, if you have a Fire Stick, you can also just plug in a Fire Stick as well. There it is. All right, let's go ahead and connect this. So we're gonna go ahead and select Smart View on the phone. Here it is, start now. Connecting to wireless display device. All right, there it is. Let's watch some YouTube. Here's a recent video that we made. Go ahead and pull this panel here that surrounds the cluster. Okay, it is showing the mirroring. Pull it like this.
Oh, you've got to be kidding me! My army! Koopas! Koopas!
So I want to go over some other functions with this. You can actually change your aspect ratio. This car comes with a really nice big screen. So if you press the back arrow, press and hold it, it'll change it. Okay, press, and then now this is normal mode. This is default. As you can see, there's black areas on the side. It's not utilizing the full entire screen. And if you want to utilize a little bit more, just press and hold the back arrow button. And then it's going to go to broad, which is going to be a little bit more wide. Like so. Okay, and then one more level. And it could go to the full, which will utilize the entire screen, like how you see over here. Okay, and this is normal. Press the back seat button. This is broad. Press it one more time. Full screen. Okay, and then some other functionality. If any of these buttons you press here, it'll take you back to the factory screen. Press menu, you'll see your menu. If you press home, it takes you back to screen mirroring. Go to audio, takes you to audio. Home will also take you home. Map will take you straight to the map. And then home again will take you there. And if you want to look at, see your bird's eye view camera, you could push it. Bird's eye view camera works. Once you get out of it, it'll go back to your phone mirroring system. And you can also use the steering wheel control to control your volume. And when you get a phone call, this screen will go back to your factory screen, and once your phone call ends, it'll go back to the phone mirroring screen as well. And of course, the backup camera and all that functionality will continue to work. All right, guys, well, this concludes our installation demonstration of our smartphone mirroring kit for the newer Toyota models. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, or you can email us at info@bsonicusa.com. And if you haven't yet, help us by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys on the next video.